How to join a community on X or a Twitter account. Joining a community allows you to engage in niche conversation and stay updated with content that interests you the most. In this full guide, I'll show you how to join a community on X step by step. Let's dive in. Launch your X app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find the different icons. Head over to this one icon. You will land to the communities page. Over here, you're gonna find different type of communities. Likewise, you will also find the topic. If you want to join sports community, technology, art related community or the entertainment, you can just select it. Where that different communities related to it will appear. Just go ahead and click on the community that you want to join, open it. You'll find the option of join in the profile page. You have to click on it. Then you have to agree with the terms and conditions of it. Once you do that, you will be part of the community. Now that you have joined, you can start engaging, like, comment and post within the community to connect with others and be part of the conversation. By following the same steps, you can join any of the community, or also you can search for the community that you want to join. And that's how you can join a community on X. Connecting with others in communities makes your experience on X more engaging and tailored to your interest. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.